Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and add shared decks in Anki. Okay, so first what we are going to do, open web browser, and what you are going to do is go to the ankiweb.net shared decks page. This is right here. Select your study category, so you have languages, art, science, and trivia. Use the search bar to find specific topic or sort decks by ratings, review, or number of cards. All right. Um, Click on the title of the deck you want to open its detail page. So yeah, let's go with music. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the blue download button where it is. Okay, sorry. So first what we are going to do is here select. So let's say drum rhythms like so. And now you can scroll down as I mentioned before, and here you will see download. Okay, what else you can do? You see here ratings, so you can sort these ratings. So as you can see, these are the highest one, the first ones. So we have here classic music, themes, music key signatures, all music intervals. So let's go with that one, for example, and we can download that. A file ending with apkg, so will save to your computer downloads folder. All right. Now ensure that you have this Anki desktop open. Navigate to your computer downloader folder. So let me open that, and I will go here to the downloads. Let me close this one. You see here this one. Double click the downloaded APK file. So double click, and Anki will automatically process the package and display confirmation message showing how many nodes and media assets is here. So Anki, we will select this one just once. And here it is, as you can see. All right, import. And now we have it right here, as you can see. All right, let me open up this. And yeah, you see here music intervals. We have it inside now. Okay, um, this one was basically really fast method, but also the second thing is also the fast method, but it just depends what you prefer. So next option is that we go here to the file at the top and then click on import, and we can import this into Anki. It's the same thing, just different ways. It works the same. So this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next